Did you know that drumming can help boost your mental and physical health? Hi, I'm Dori Staehle, certified drum therapist and owner of Next Stage Drumming. I just thought drumming was something you did for fun. I was playing with a rock band at my church at the time on percussion, and I knew that it helped me feel better, but I didn't know why. It wasn't until 2011 when I had a freak accident, and that's when I knew that I needed to try something different. And believe it or not, I never would have guessed in a million years that something as simple as a djembe drum would actually help me feel calmer, less stressed. I wasn't obsessing about the accident or anything else because once you're drumming and you're keeping a steady, repetitive beat, you really get in the zone, and those vibrations go right through your body, and they have been proven to help recalibrate things a bit. So personally, I was actually healed in 2 weeks of all the injuries just by drumming for 15 minutes to a half an hour every day. I cannot guarantee that that will happen for you, and certainly it won't happen after just a 3-minute video. Now, keep in mind that I do therapeutic drumming with beginners who have never drummed before. So if you can count, you can drum. I'm going to do some easy beats and rhythms to help you relax and release. This is not a drum lesson, and it's not African drumming. It's just drum therapy, it's called. So if you're ready, grab either a drum, a book, you can use a tabletop, or your lap. We're going to do one 8-beat pattern a couple of times just to help you get in the zone. First, roll your shoulders, take some deep breaths. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay, you got the hang of that. You can do that for as long as you like, and if that's all you want to do, that is totally fine. However, if you wanted something a little bit more challenging, you might want to mix it up a bit. You do 4 slow beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 8 fast ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can combine both and put it all together if you really wanted a challenge. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So that should help you just get in the zone, have some fun. Now keep in mind that worrying never changes anything, my friends. So whatever it is that you are obsessing about, just let it go on your drum. Do some sweeps if you need. Take a breath, take a break, and tap out some beats. That's my prescription. If you need anything else, you can reach out at Dori at nextstagedrumming.com. If you're finding that you are really in a tough place, don't give up. Know that you're not alone. I've been through this after my accident in 2011, 3 long years, and it got pretty dark. But drumming really helped me release, relax, restore. It healed me body, mind, and spirit. And it really turned out to be a wonderful tool. Who knew, right? However, if you're really, really at the point where you know that you need something more, I'll list some resources at the end of this video, my friends. So keep the faith, keep on rocking. Talk to you soon.